Hi, it's Vishwas here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Panvision. Today's telecast is sponsored by Bingley Fashions, Manga. First, the news headlines from abroad. Manga Konkans and Ace Spikers back Lord's Kanaja trophies. News headlines from Mumbai. Mumbai's traffic woes force India's ex-defense minister to travel on a rickshaw. Here what we have in our local news. Mangalorean Catholic community holds 1940s nostalgia reunion. Historic Kadri Camilla brings back the glory of Tulunadu. Dakshina Kannada RTA goes high-tech, acquires interceptor vehicles to curb traffic rule violation. And in our entertainment bash, a dance from Mansoban held at Kalangan and a song from Konkan Bal held in Bangalore.
Bingley Fashions for variety in dresses and dress materials. Buy one and get one free. Best quality of dresses for all family members. Jeans pants, terry cotton pants. Ready-made shirts at the most affordable rates. For women, very special offers. Just for Rs 150, 2 sarees. From the lowest range of sarees to light quality jari sarees, fancy sarees and new design sarees. Just for Rs 125, 2 chudidar materials, short top chudidars, embroidery design chudidars. Two Baba suits, Rs 80 only. 2 shirt pieces, Rs 110 only. 2 pant pieces, Rs 120 only. We are open on Sundays also up to 2 p.m. Have you heard anything like this? Just visit Bingley Fashions, Ajanta Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Crossroad, Hampankatta, Mangalore. Phone 244-2021 2421-008. Please note, we do not have any other branches, so visit Bingley Fashions.
Now the news in detail. Ace Spikers and Mangalo Konkans are the new champions of Lord's Kanaja volleyball and throwball tournament that was played on Sunday, December 2nd. The final matches ended up in a nail-biting finish where all the 4 teams displayed their exuberant qualities and nearly 700 people witnessed this sport. Ace Spikers and Mangalo Konkans emerged as the new champions of Lord's Kanaja volleyball and throwball tournament held in Dubai on Sunday, December 2nd. A total of 12 volleyball and 9 throwball teams took part in the tournament. Volleyball tournament was held for the men and throwball tournament was conducted for the women. Reverend Father Annie Xavier of St. Michael's Church Sharjah, Joseph Matthias of Merit Freight Shipping Company, Frank Lobo of Galaxy Star Electromechanical Works LLC, Sudhir Kumar Shetty of UAE Exchange Center, Lord's Kanaja Association Emirates President Alvin D'Souza were the guests. The proceeds of the tournament will be sent to Poor Children Education Fund back in Kanaja. The son of Mangalorean soil, George Fernandez, who is known for his simplicity, travelled on a rickshaw on Saturday, December 1st night to reach Kurla in time, where he was supposed to take part in a meeting organised by Sri Krishna Parisara Premi Samiti. The organisers were surprised to see the ex-defence minister of the country stepping out of the auto. The very simple, down-to-earth ex-defence minister of India, George Fernandez, had to endure innumerable hardships during his early days in Mumbai. It seemed as if history repeated on Saturday, December 1st night, as George Fernandez had to go through the difficulty, but this time due to Mumbai's traffic woes. Owing to the traffic snarls on Sion-Chembur Eastern Express Highway, George Fernandez ended up travelling on an auto rickshaw to reach the venue in time. He was on his way to take part in a meeting held by Jai Sri Krishna Parisara Premi Samiti at Band Sangha at Kurla. On Sunday, December 2nd, it was a great evening for all those who had passed out of the high school before 1950s from St. Aloysius institutions. The alumni of St. Aloysius institutions who are living in different parts of the world gathered at the college auditorium to meet their classmates. On Sunday, December 2nd evening, the atmosphere at St. Aloysius College was full of nostalgia and warmth. It was an evening of nostalgic memories for all the alumni who remembered their school days. Thanks to the noble thoughts of Dr. Mohan Prabhu of Ottawa, alumnus of 1947 SSLC batch, and Dr. Marian Kamath of New York, who thought of organizing 1940s nostalgia reunion alumni who passed out of St. Aloysius High School before 1950 met each other after a gap of nearly 5 decades. Old students of St. Aloysius School who gathered in large number at the college auditorium proved that though they have achieved name and fame in their own fields, they have not forgotten their alma mater and motherland. The program was well organized by Joe Gonzalez, Dr. Michael Lobo and the members of Mangalorean Catholic community. Everyone who converged on the occasion enjoyed each and every moment at the program. Francis Saravo, Rector, St. Aloysius Institution, spoke on the occasion.
You will certainly remember the men and women who have left indelible impressions on you, your principals, your teachers, classmates, clerical staff and attendants too. You will also have a vigorous exchange and a hearty laugh about all the fun, pranks, frolic and innocent mischiefs that are the essential part of a student's life. Above all, you will cherish the values you imbibe, the insights you have received, and the impressions that came your way during your years of studies. I am happy to join you this evening, this gathering, in order to share in your saga of success and satisfaction. For your alma mater has no better trophy as an eloquent proof of its success than you, the alumni and alumnae, who have risen higher, reached farther, and achieved much in these years after your formal education, either in this campus or elsewhere.
Justice Michael Saldana, President CASK, presided over the program. Dion Fernandez, entrepreneur from Mumbai, released 3 books, Nature's Beauty and Bounty, Silver Themes and Golden Thoughts, From the Sublime to the Divine, authored by Lindsay Rego. Dr. Michael Lobo, convener organizing committee, Neil D'Souza were present. With that, let us take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have a story on the popular Kadri Camilla that was held on Sunday, December 2nd. So don't miss it. Stay tuned to us.
Bingley Fashions for variety in dresses and dress materials. Buy one and get one free. Best quality of dresses for all family members. Jeans pants, terry cotton pants. Ready-made shirts at the most affordable rates. For women, very special offers. Just for ₹150, 2 sarees. From the lowest range of sarees to light quality jari sarees, fancy sarees and new design sarees. Just for ₹125, 2 chudidar materials, short top chudidars, embroidery design chudidars. Two Baba suits, ₹80 only. 2 shirt pieces, ₹110 only. 2 pant pieces, ₹120 only. We are open on Sundays also up to 2 p.m. Have you heard anything like this? Just visit Bingley Fashions, Ajanta Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Crossroad, Hampankatta, Mangalore. Phone 244-2021, 2421-008. Please note, we do not have any other branches, so visit Bingley Fashions.
ಮುಕ್ತಿಧರ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ವಾಜ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮುಡಿಪು. ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವು 2007ರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4, 5 ಹಾಗೂ 6ರಂದು ಜರುಗಲಿರುವುದು. ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2ರಂದು. ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4ರಂದು. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5ರಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 6ರಂದು ಸಾಂಭ್ರಮಿಕ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಲನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮುಡಿಪು.
Montero Textiles has wide collections of suitings of well-known brands, including Raymond Suitings, Dinesh, Digjam and Gwalior Suiting, Arvind, Oxford, BSL Suitings. Jeans, corduroy, imported materials and ladies suit materials are also available with us. Montero Textiles, Sarja Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Crossroad, Hampankatta, Mangalore.
Welcome back after the break. Kambala is a cherished tradition of this coastal area with which Mangaloreans relate themselves easily and of course with pride. Hundreds witnessed Kadri Camilla, one of the oldest Kambalas in Dakshina Kannada district, which is also known as Arasu Kambala and Devara Kambala, on Sunday, December 2nd at the historic Kadri Camilla field. Hundreds witnessed the historic Kadri Manjunatha annual Kambala, one of the oldest Kambalas in Dakshina Kannada district, held on Sunday, December 2nd at the famous Kadri Camilla field. Kadri Kambala, also known as Devara Kambala as it is dedicated to the presiding deity of Kadri Manjunatheshwara, brought back the glory of Tulunadu on Sunday. The venue wore a festive look. Kambala began in the afternoon and ended before sunset. Kannada Sahitya Parishad former president Hari Krishna Punaruru inaugurated the Kambala. Buffalo race was held in Kanehalage, Hagga Hiriya and Hagga Kiriya categories. This year's Guttu Award, a gold medal instituted in the memory of late Balakrishna Shetty, one of the organizers of Kadri Kambala, was given to Kadri Rudraya, a social worker. In addition, the Dakshina Kannada District Kambala Committee presented its Kambala Shrestha Award for 2006-2007 to 12 persons during this occasion. This included 6 owners of pairs of buffaloes and an equal number of people who steered the pairs during the race. Earlier in the morning, separate competitions for men and women like Tappangai, Tug of War and race was held on the muddy field. It was held in 3 categories: for those aged below 12, for those aged between 12 and 18 and a race open to all. Former MLA Krishna Palamar inaugurated the event in the presence of Kadri Jogi Mat Seer Sandhyanath Swamiji.
ಜಾನಪದ ಕಲೆಟೊಂಜಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಬಂಡ ಕದ್ರಿ ಕಂಬಳ ಆ ಕದ್ರಿ ಕಂಬಳ ಇನಿ ಭಾರಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡತೊಂದುಂಡು ಮಾತೆರ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇರ್ದ ಇನಿ ಕದ್ರಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ ದೇವರನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹಡು ಭಾರಿ ಪೊರ್ಲುಡು ಈ ಕದ್ರಿ ಕಂಬಳ ನಡಪರೆಂಡು ಈ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಐತೆ ಹೊರತು ನೋಡ ಪಣದು ಬರ್ತದಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕೆಡ್ಲೈತೆ ಈ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಪೋಡು.
Prior to the inauguration, the Seer performed puja. Former Minister B. Nagaraj Shetty, Deputy Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao, Kadri Kambala Committee Convener Kadri Navneet Shetty, Vice President of the Committee Pradeep Kumar Kalkura were present. All these competitions were organized by the Kadri Kambala Samiti in association with the Kalkura Foundation, Ganesh Shipping Agencies, Landlinks and the Lions Club of Koryalbail. Later, prizes were distributed to the winners. Mangaloreans, henceforth, think twice before you violate the traffic rule in the city. If you drive without helmet, do not follow the speed law, you'll be caught red-handed. Beware violators! Regional transport authorities have received an interceptor vehicle equipped with a state-of-the-art camera. The interceptor has become operational in the city from Sunday, December 2nd. Breaking traffic rules in Mangalore will no more be easy. To ease the job of traffic police, an interceptor equipped with a camera system costing Rs 38 lakh has been launched in the city. The interceptor vehicle will ply on the streets of Mangalore, capturing photos of people who indulge in offences. Deputy Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao inaugurated the vehicle at a function held at his office on Sunday, December 2nd. At present, 5 such vehicles are operating in the city, including Mangalore, Bangalore, Chitradurga and Bidar. The camera captures the data of a vehicle speeding above 40 km, which can be restored with the date and time in a laptop. RTO will pass on this information to traffic inspectors through walkie-talkie. The traffic police will then catch the erring motorist. The interceptor is equipped with a breath analyzer which would help in catching the drunken driving. RTO, the Sadashiva, gave a demonstration of the same. Now, before we go on to our entertainment bash, we'll take a short commercial break here. Stay tuned to us.
ಮುಕ್ತಿಧರ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ವಾಜ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮುಡಿಪು ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವು 2007ರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4, 5 ಹಾಗೂ 6ರಂದು ಜರುಗಲಿರುವುದು. ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2ರಂದು, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4ರಂದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5ರಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 6ರಂದು ಸಾಂಭ್ರಮಿಕ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಲನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮುಡಿಪು.
Garcia Designs. We have 100% imported furniture sourced from different countries, available at unbelievable and affordable prices. A wide range of home furniture such as sofa sets, dining table set, center table, corner table, toilet stand, TV cabinets, study tables, sofa cum bed, wardrobe, double cot, a dressing table, a bedside table, metal bed, etc. Elegant office furniture like executive chairs and tables, visitor chairs, bar chairs, computer tables and chairs are available. Apart from this, we have different range of home packages too. Visit Garcia Designs, exclusive imported furniture store, Vijay Church Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
काळजाच्या या हालतारी भेटला तुका मोगा
चिंता चिंतून लिहिता
देखला एकले बाय सुबीत माणी खाय आजा पोरी दिसला माणिक मोगाचे काणिक देवाचे म्हाकाच तू निर्मिल्ले
तुझ्या आणि तुझ्या मध्ये कोण दुश्मन बाय सांग म्हाका एका स्मरण
स्वप्नांनी तुका हांव देखतलो दायना ओ दायना
वर्सां जाली दोन मोग तुजो करून
चेडूं सोबायेचे ताचे दोळे ते माजराचे पोयल्यास दिसतीन रे मुझे का